Here is a very beautiful agave that is currently flowering. It sends up a big flower spike like this, and then that means this particular agave will now die. You can see here's an old spike from about a year ago that I really should clean up. And all of those flowers up there are eventually going to make new agaves, which will fall and scatter. And you can see here remnants from this last one. And those fall onto the ground. And you can see there they are. And that'll make new agaves. I don't know the variety of this one. It's a pretty green one. Sending up its flower spike. Here's a close-up of the flowers. You can see they've got the bees going crazy on them. And you can see up here, unopened flower buds, which for some reason I always find unopened flower buds to be very attractive looking. Sometimes even more so than when the flowers actually open. Especially on aloes, which are wonderful. An agave, despite its superficial similarity to aloes, are completely unrelated. Agaves are from America, whereas aloes are related to lilies and are native to Africa. Also, aloes will flower every year and not die, whereas an agave is a monocot, much like a banana or a pineapple or a whole variety of other things, which means once it flowers, that particular agave down here, this will now die. However, it'll send up a whole bunch of little babies that'll spread. And if we go over here, we can just kind of, well, not really. We can kind of see at the base of this old spike right there, you can see the agave has withered and died and disappeared, and you really don't have to clean it up at all. It will completely disappear. I got a very beautiful Chandelier Hibiscus right here. That's what I call them. I don't know what they're actually called, but they look like little chandeliers, so that's what I call them. Chandelier Hibiscus. Absolutely huge looking plant. This sends up like 5 to 10 flowers every single day, and they only last a day. Very beautiful. But here we go. Agave with a beautiful flower spike just starting to open.